Hello friends, welcome back to Trishanish Handmade. Today I am stitching a makeup pouch. Materials required: main fabric, lining, felt 12 by 10 inch, fabric for handle piece 10 by 3 inch, zipper 15 inch, zip runner. Please note that actual width of makeup pouch is 12 inch, but it is always better to take extra length for the zipper. Here I have taken 3 inches extra. Let's get started with the stitching. Stitch the main fabric with the felt on one side, that is top side of the fabric. Repeat the same for the second piece. Now two pieces are ready for further stitching. It's time to attach the zipper. First we need to separate the zipper so we can attach it separately. Keep the zipper on top of the main fabric which we have already attached to the felt. Place the lining fabric and secure it with beaded pins. Make sure that the zipper is in between main fabric and lining. Also note that right side of lining and main fabric should face each other. Now stitch the zipper. Repeat the same for second piece also. Give a top stitch for the neat finishing for both the pieces. Take the handle piece, double fold it and stitch it as shown in the video. Let's attach the handle to the main fabric. Fold the handle first. Measure 2 inch from the top. Attach the handle with the help of beaded pin. Give a stitch on it. Keep both the pieces ready and attach the runner. Flip the fabric so that lining comes to one side and main fabric comes to another side. Arrange the fabrics neatly and secure it with beaded pins. Cut the four corners in 2 by 2 square shape. Stitch all the sides, leaving a small gap. This gap is used to turn the fabric right side out. Let us make a T gusset in all four corners by folding it in a T shape. This is also called as T gusset. By doing so, we can have more space in the bottom. Secure the T gusset with the help of beaded pins and stitch all the four sides. Now start turning the cloth right side out through the opening. Set everything neatly. stitch the left out space. Here we have our beautiful peacock printed makeup pouch. We can use it for keeping the makeup items and carry with us during our travel. Hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel, watch all the videos, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.